Evaporative coolers, also called swamp coolers, are sometimes found on homes in Kern County. Evaporative coolers cost about half as much to install as central air conditioners and use about a quarter as much energy. However, they require more frequent maintenance than conventional air conditioners and they're more suitable for areas with low humidity. While performing home inspections, I often see coolers on homes in Ridgecrest, Kernville, Wilford Heights, Lake Isabella, but I also sometimes see them on homes in Bakersfield as well. In low humidity areas, evaporating water into the air provides a natural and energy efficient means of cooling. Evaporative coolers rely on this principle, cooling outdoor air by passing it over water, saturated pads, causing the water to evaporate into it. The 15 to 40 degree Fahrenheit cooler air is then directed into the home and pushes warmer air out through the windows. When operating an evaporative cooler, windows are opened partway to allow warm air to escape as it is replaced by the cooler air. Unlike central air conditioning systems that recirculate the same air, evaporative coolers provide a steady stream of fresh air into the home. Evaporative coolers do require maintenance. Here are some of the items that should be checked at the beginning of each cooling season. The water tray and the metal housing should be cleaned, and if there's any sign of corrosion, it should be treated with a rust inhibitor and painted with a coating designed for this purpose. The blower assembly and motor bearings should be lubricated. The fan belt should be in good condition and should have proper tension. Belt movement should be approximately 1 inch maximum. The water level should be a little below the top of the tray, with the top of the overflow pipe sticking out of the water. If the water is not at the proper level, the float arm will need adjustment. The water supply line should be inspected to make sure there are no leaks. Both pinhole leaks and leaks at the connections are common issues. The cooler pad should be in good condition. If the home is in an area with hard water, the pads may need to be replaced frequently. At the end of the cooling season, the cooler should be winterized. All water should be drained from the cooler. Water lines should be disconnected and blown free for winter in cold climates. The overflow pipe can be removed to allow any water that enters the cooler to drain. The exterior of the cooler should be covered. Metal and fabric covers are manufactured for this purpose. A tarp can also be used. It is very common to see roofs and ceilings with damage caused by leaking evaporative coolers. Long-term leaks can keep shingles saturated and lead to deterioration. Any leaks or overflow should be corrected immediately. If moderate corrosion is noted in the water tray of the cooler, it is a good idea to replace the cooler to avoid costly roof and ceiling damage. This information is provided by Kern River Home Inspections, serving Bakersfield and all of Kern County. We provide general home inspections utilizing thermal imaging and mold inspections. For additional information, please visit our website, bakersfieldinspections.com.